everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interview some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. And we also do inspirational stories, and we try to get some of these Tech Tuesdays out for you guys too that, just have some questions, and we always like to try to help out in regards to the technical side as well, and anything we can help out on. But this is going to be Shotcut again, and we do a lot of segments with Shotcut, a lot of other tech stuff. So if there's anything you guys have questions, let us know in the comments or send us an email. We'll try to put together segments as those questions come out. Sometimes we get them out as quick as we can. Sometimes they take a little longer. It all depends on how many segments that we have that we got to get done and questions that we have. All right, so some of the questions were about, basically cutting the videos and trying to join them together, or if you're putting pictures, videos, whatever it may be, and then also the getting them to stick together. Basically what they call it in regards to editing, like magnetizing them. This is just a kind of like a beginner for those of you that haven't used Shotcut yet. Very simple, very easy. And as you see this little arrow that's up on top here, that's exactly where the video is at. So if you're wanting it at 15 seconds in, whatever it may be, get it right to that. And then you just move that arrow over, and then you click this button here. So it'll say split at playhead, meaning it'll split it right there. So if you wanted this one over here out of there, you just right click on it and then cut it. Okay, so let's say that we had two videos here and you wanted them put together. Basically, that's what this is here. This is the snap or the magnet. So now we've clicked this on, this magnet will literally move this over, and when we move it over, you'll get it right into, it'll snap to the next video clip. So as you see, it's highlighted in red, the magnet's on, we'll just go ahead and move it right over, and it'll snap right in to that segment. So it's very easy to use Shotcut, and there's a lot of features. And if there's some features out there that you guys, just starting out with Shotcut, have some questions on, let us know. I mean, we've used this program for quite some time. We love this program because there's just so many features to it, and it's free. So if you guys have any other questions, let us know. But we hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next segment.